Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at another Victorinox Swiss Army knife. And this one is a relatively common Swiss Army knife, but it's a little bit different than normal. This one is the 93mm Victorinox Pioneer. The main difference with this one is it's actually the color. It's sort of a dark green, and this is one of the advertising corporate gift kind of Swiss Army knives. And this one is from a place called SoCoCut. I don't know. I got it because it had a cool looking shark logo and it was green. Anyway, let's take a look at the knife itself. So the Pioneer, one, it's a 93mm Swiss Army knife. To compare it to a traditional 91, you can see it's a teeny tiny bit longer. I mean, technically it's like 2mm long. And to compare it to like an 84, you can see the difference pretty obviously. There's a big difference. This one being the Victorinox watch tool. And the other thing is this one has a key ring, which some of the 93mm ones don't. This particular knife has the usual can opener, and it's the can opener and a little mini screwdriver at the tip. It's got it's got the traditional bottle opener, which is probably the only thing that I don't complain about having a bottle opener. The large screwdriver, and it's got the little wire stripper thing right there. It's got the large knife blade, and the large knife blade being a 93 versus a 91mm. Let me show you real quick. I'll get all the dust off this one. As you can see, there actually is a teeny tiny bit of difference in the size. You get a little bit larger knife blade than the 91. And of course, this being a Swiss Army knife, it's sharp. The other tool is you get the all reamer, this thing, which is also sharp. I've never actually tried it. I wonder if I can cut paper with this one. No. I feel like I could push a piece of metal through pretty much anything. So I guess you can saw your way through paper. Yeah. You can see there's still a little bit of an edge on it. You can see the edge. Like, I mean, it's definitely sharp. I just don't think it's like knife edge sharp, but still something to concern yourself with. Like, you don't want to randomly like poke yourself with that thing. Anyway, it's kind of a neat looking knife. I like the green color, and I like the kind of fish shark thing. Probably not a fish. I mean, probably not a shark. It's probably like a salmon or something. Anyway, sort of interesting. I'll include links in the description where you can find out information about the Pioneer itself. I'll include the Swiss Army Knife wiki page, and I'll also include a link to Amazon if you want to try and check out the knife yourself. Anyway, if you have any suggestions or ideas for things I should look at, please let me know in the comments. Also, if you have any questions, you can let me know down there. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.